Hi, my FK gang. Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Well, today I feel for some peanut porridge, peanuts with plantain and oatmeal. So this is what we're working with. Here's my ingredients for today. Peanuts that I already have soaking, oatmeal, old-fashioned oatmeal, and 2 plantains. I probably use 1 because I'm mixing it. Here's my cinnamon leaf, my nutmeg, my coconut milk, my Himalayan salt, vanilla extract, rose water, cinnamon extract, cinnamon, and my orange peel powder with milk and some brown sugar. So this is my menu for my ingredients for today. And over here, my spice is already on the stove with orange peel, cinnamon stick, cinnamon leaf, and like 4 or 5 pimento seeds. And I'm gonna have this boiling for like 5-7 minutes before adding the rest of my ingredients. So here we are, oatmeal, peanut, plantain porridge. So now I'm going to blend 1.5 cups of peanuts with 2 cups of water. So I'm just gonna pour my peanut in here. All right, and now I'm going to blend my plantain. And here I'm going to just cut my plantain. The greener the plantain is, the better. This is the best I could get at the market. Just blending my plantains in another 2 cups of water. And smooth. I'm just gonna add it with my peanuts. I don't know about you guys, but I love whole heap of porridge. Porridge and soup I can drink all day. And now I'm removing my spices. See how the water nice and yellow from the spice. And I'm gonna add this slowly. while it's here, you have to keep stirring it every few minutes because you don't want it to burn. whisk it. All right. And in here now I have a cup and a half of oatmeal and 1 cup of coconut milk and a half a cup of water. I'm gonna add my oatmeal and coconut milk for the plantain and peanut. You have to constantly keep whisking it because you don't want it to be lumpy. It's really nice and smooth. I don't like using flour. The same job the flour does is the same thing the oatmeal does. It thickens it. So now I'm gonna have this cook for another 3 minutes. Oatmeal takes like 3 to 5 minutes to cook before I spice it up and mix it with my milk and sugar. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Fergie's Kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to add my spice to my porridge. Over here, I'm gonna add like a 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. And guys, you can sweeten it to your taste because everybody likes it differently. Some likes it on the fresher side, some likes it more sweet. I like it like just in between, not too fresh, not too sweet. And now a half a cup of sugar, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of rose water, half teaspoon of cinnamon extract, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Now I'm gonna add just a small can of condensed milk and a 1/4 teaspoon of orange peel extract. So guys, I'll see you when it's finished. All my spices in. Hi guys, my FK gang. Here is my finished product. This is my plantain, oatmeal, and peanut porridge. And I'm working there with some Jamaican Excelsior water crackers and a glass of cool ice water. I hope you enjoy. As you know how I do my thing. The scripture of the day is coming from Psalms 145, verse 14. The Lord upholds those who fall. Yes, He does. He really does. So don't worry. And from me to you guys, leave nothing to chance and everything to God. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon in Fergie's Kitchen.